WWE is one of the most searched things on YouTube. WWE, World Wrestling Entertainment, is a popular form of entertainment that has been around for decades. It features scripted matches and storylines that involve professional wrestlers performing high-energy, acrobatic moves and engaging in dramatic rivalries. There are a few reasons why WWE is one of the most searched things on YouTube. High viewership. WWE has a massive global audience, with millions of fans tuning in to watch its programming every week. As a result, there is a significant demand for WWE-related content on YouTube, ranging from highlights of matches and promos to interviews with wrestlers and backstage footage. Engaging storylines. WWE is known for its over-the-top storylines that feature larger-than-life characters and dramatic plot twists. These storylines keep fans engaged and invested in the product, which leads them to search for more content on YouTube to satisfy their curiosity and stay up to date. Social media promotion. WWE is active on social media platforms like YouTube, where it regularly posts highlights and clips from its shows. This promotion helps to generate buzz around the product and encourages fans to search for more content on YouTube. Overall, WWE's popularity on YouTube can be attributed to its massive fan base, engaging storylines, and active social media presence.